We're going to Homestead today. As some of you probably don't know, I had to say goodbye to my favorite little puppy Snoopy after almost 12 years, and now our Yami is lonely. She kind of just mopes around. She doesn't have a buddy to play with anymore. So Rob thought it would be a good idea to take me down to Homestead and look at little, what are they, teacup piglets or mini pigs? Mini pigs. He swears I'm gonna fall in love with them, but I don't know. We'll see. The other cool thing about this trip is the place we're going happens to be this place called Spur of the Moment, and it's supposed to be this really cute wedding venue or like events venue. When I looked it up online, I'm like, oh my gosh. So I wanted to share it with you because this place looked beautiful online, and I'm sure it's going to be even more beautiful in person. So come along with us.
Mini pigs is they're not really mini. You know, they're mini when they're babies, but once they get full grown, they can be in the 100-pound range. So, but just something to think about.
But they're still smaller than normal sized pigs, right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So
they're not like hundreds of pounds.
They're just 100 instead of.
Yeah. But where we're going, the parents are on site too. They're not ready to come home yet. Pigs are very intelligent. So they're probably one of the most intelligent pets you can get. They can also be extremely manipulative. But,
great, that's all I need. Why didn't we get married here is all I'm gonna say. How long has this been a wedding venue?
Like 2 years.
Ah, see? We got married over 3 years ago. Ah, man. Wow. This is awesome. I love this.
Yeah, you can see with all the lights, it's insane. It's beautiful.
Yeah, this is cool. Man, you guys put some serious work into this place, huh?
He honestly, he built this in like maybe 6 months. He was really quick about it.
Really?
Yeah, he's very creative.
Did he make all the lights and the...
He did everything.
Oh.
Well, obviously the light bulb in the hands, but
Yeah.
but that he made all of that, everything except for the chairs. Everything else is built by him.
That's amazing.
Yeah. We have a saloon also. Cool. Yeah. There's a groom saloon. Is there like the groom and his groomsmen get ready?
Yeah.
It's really, really nice. You're welcome to check it out.
Yeah. This is awesome.
Please check your... Uh-oh. We gotta check our guns. Oh, babe.
Oh, that's cool. Yeah, this is awesome.
Yeah, the men love it.
I want one of these.
You want a groom saloon?
Oh, yeah.
It's nice to just hang out.
Yeah. A wench?
Yeah.
A beer wench?
Yeah. Need a beer tap.
Yeah, they bring me in here sometimes. They drink and just hang out.
This is awesome, huh?
We need to think of a reason to throw a party, babe. Love about like Homestead. There's just like so many like secrets down here. You don't, you're like, oh, Miami, I don't want to go to Miami, but you just pass Miami.
All the really nice things are like hidden in the redlands.
Yes, you just gotta pass like the Miami, crazy. Hi.
Hey there.
Oh my God, look at that little baby. Hi.
So is this full grown size?
That is full grown.
Oh, that's full grown.
I actually have her indoors. This is BB-8.
BB-8?
BB-8. And she has on this side of it, yeah, it looks like BB-8.
Oh, yes, it does.
So that's why I named her that.
You see BB-8 right here?
Oh yeah. That's funny.
You're a pretty girl. There you are. There we go. There you go.
Oh, you like that.
Yeah. You're a good girl.
So that's not that big for a
No,
full
no,
grown
no.
now.
No. You're so good. Is my babies?
Yes.
Yes. Oh, don't be afraid. They are nice. They're all in heat right now, so they're like very.
Oh,
Yeah.
oh, no, don't be afraid. Oh, my. Those are the. Oh.
She's really old, so I just have her here away from everyone else. She has no competition.
Yeah.
But those two are the mommies. You guys can come in.
Go ahead.
Oh.
They're still too young to go. Some people saw them that early, but I don't like to
Yeah.
because they're still so little.
Yeah, and they still need their mommy.
Yeah.
Oh my god, they're joining her.
Don't think they look right now. These were born this morning.
This morning and they're already running around, huh?
It's
Look
good.
at that.
It makes me happy to see that.
Oh, so that's normal. I see the little umbilical cord still on that one.
Yep. It's literally like 30 minutes before you guys got here.
Oh man!
It's when we finished, like when we actually moved.
I shouldn't have lollygagged this morning. I needed to make coffee.
Oh
And,
man.
you know?
Yeah. No,
Oh, that would have been such a cool experience.
it is cool. Little girls, but cool.
Yeah. Yeah, you know, when it's like birthing like a
Yeah.
living thing, you kind of don't see the nastiness anymore.
Yeah.
Like now
We have to slowly like.
Are the mommy's gonna.
No, they will not do anything.
they won't be aggressive.
They're
or anything?
skittish, but they know that we're not gonna hurt them.
Oh, okay.
They're just, I don't know why they are like that.
Aw, we're strangers.
Right here.
Yeah, that's why it's good to raise them little.
Yeah, exactly.
There you go.
Hold the legs. Because remember, piggies don't like to be
They
held.
like to be
Yep.
close, so they don't feel like they're in the air like that.
Yeah.
Kind of like a cat, right?
Yeah.
Hey there.
Oh my
You
gosh.
gonna bite?
Aw.
Oh.
He might like that boy,
Yeah.
but or she. That's a boy.
That's
a boy.
Yeah.
So
Hey,
cute.
you wanna hold him?
Maybe. Oh, I feel so bad. We're like, oh no. They're scared. All right.
Okay. Yeah. Look at that little face.
Oh.
She's a pretty little girl.
Do you wanna hold her?
Yeah.
Her and the other one looks just like her.
Hi. Oh my god. Oh no.
Just hold her.
Are you afraid? It's okay. It's okay. Ah! I just don't want her to jump on my shoulder and then jump off. It's okay. Oh, you're so cute.
So these will be ready in a couple of weeks, probably.
Yeah.
Yep.
Oh, look at. Are you comfortable now? No, you're afraid again. Oh, no,
Here,
it's
let me
okay.
take a picture.
It's okay. What do we? No, don't be
Just
afraid.
hold
Here, let me
them
hold
tight.
your legs. There you go. There
Yeah,
you
they're all
go.
like that when they're little.
Yeah,
Once they
we
get
just.
used to you.
Yeah,
She's a
see?
pretty little girl.
Oh my god. Ah! All right, I'll let you go. I'll let you go. I'll let you go. It's okay. Oh, I want the little one.
Of one of the litters.
Looking around.
Wow.
Look at you. You're a big boy.
Yeah. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. So, pet him? Like, he doesn't. Oh, no, does that scare you?
As you don't put it in front of its mouth.
Oh, yeah.
It's good.
Nice.
Yeah, you don't want to snap yet.
Uh-huh.
Good luck getting that off.
Oh, gosh. Wow, look at that. Oh, my goodness. Sorry, I don't mean to scare you. Look how cute you guys are.
You guys just chilling in the shade?
Go closer, see if she spits at you. Oh, no.
That's okay.
Oh, look, there's Salem.
Oh, yeah.
Hi, kitten. Look at you. You're friendly. Hi.
Yes, he's very, very friendly.
Oh.
Look at those tusks.
Hey, Pumbaa. Hey, Pumbaa.
Arnold Schwarzenegger.
Yeah.
Hi, kitty. You're just following us. Pretty face. Like, I love his face.
Yeah.
Oh, how romantic.
You ever go swimming here? Yeah.
You do? Oh, awesome.
Yeah.
The barrel is the newest addition to the venue. It's like an overnight barrel. So when you get married, you can just
Spend your first
spend
night
your
there?
First night there.
Oh, that's so
Hang out.
cute.
Yeah, so you don't have to go home. I mean, after drinking and
Yeah.
Yeah,
you know.
that's awesome.
It even smells like the cabin.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah, I love
Oh,
it.
look at the bathroom.
Yeah, it's super pretty.
This is awesome.
Well, we came here to look at a little piglet, and it turned out to be the most amazing venue. I'm so upset that we didn't get married here. So thank you so
Of
much
course,
for
of course.
showing us around. I mean, these antiques and all these barns, it's just a fantastic place. I'm literally looking or trying to come up with a reason to have a party here. It's just,
I hope you do.
right?
I really hope you do.
Yeah, well, maybe we'll be back. Maybe we'll come back and get our little piglet. Make sure you keep that picture in our name.
I for sure will.
So what's the website?
It's spurofthemomentevents.com.
Are you on Facebook,
We are
Instagram?
also on Facebook and on Instagram. Same name, Spur of the Moment Events.
Look these people up. We'll leave the link in the description as well. Well, thanks for having us.
Thank you for being here.
Hopefully we'll see you soon.
All right.
These are babies.
Oh, oh, he's drooling. So maybe. Isn't that one of the signs?
You smack a bird. I see there's a bunch of it up there. So
Yeah.
since we're down here, might as well stop and grab a pint real quick, huh?
It's been a long time since we've been here. Cheers. I mean, since we were in the area, MAA Brewing / Nebely's Winery was really only around the corner, so
Might as well.
might as well. And we have a brisket sandwich that's smoked on site coming to us too, so I can't wait for that. Oh, that's a lot of fries. Oh, are those little? It's oh wow. So it's supposed to be their brisket sandwich, which they smoke on property. But the sauces are different. It's like a barbecue, and I think there was some sort of like Spanish influence with like cilantro and jalapeno sauce or something. It looks great. It's got those little potato sticks. Yeah. That's nice. I like that little bit of a little kick from the jalapeno. And
Thank you. This is delicious. These are my balls. These are these mac and cheese balls. They got some mustard and ketchup. I'll take a little bite here and see how it tastes. That's good.
is mustard and ketchup though?
I don't know what it is.
Oh, there's no mustard and ketchup. That's sriracha and something else. But it's sriracha. Oh, I can notice that taste from a mile away. These are good.
I guess there was a run going on today, so the place is pretty busy.
In the next episode, we're at the Bluegrass. Was this the Bluegrass Festival in town? We got Mom with us over there. We're gonna check it out, see what it's all about. We go back up to the captain's hideaway to get some more work done, and then Mom comes for a visit.
So exciting, huh?
Yeah.
We discover some local sites and check out a bluegrass festival. Until next time, cheers!